Sige po. Assign na lang po, ma'am. Yung 3 copies. Okay.
Gusto mo kayo po? Yung first set po? Sa
First
sign
set.
Second.
You confirm that you are Philbert Angeli E. Ranolio.
Yes po.
You confirm reading this complaint.
Yes po.
You understood the contents of your affidavit. You are aware that you affirm that all the allegations in your affidavit are true and correct based on your personal knowledge.
Yes po.
You confirm that you are aware that in case of any statement of falsehood in your affidavit, you may be held liable for perjury, a criminal offense.
Yes po.
Okay, sinisip ko.